Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to download and install macOS here on VirtualBox. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is copy this link on our browser and download the VirtualBox setup. Okay, so I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to download the Windows download. Okay, and here we go. I'm gonna skip this part where it downloads. Okay, so here it is. This is my download. I'm going to open it up, see, and then set everything. Just click next and yes. Okay, install. All right, it's installing. All right, shouldn't take long. Okay, just click yes. Okay, so we're done. Now let's look at our virtual machine. This is it. Let's close it. And okay, let's copy the other link and download it from our browser. And here it is. It's a drive file. Okay, it's 5.3 gigs. So it's pretty big. So I'm gonna skip this part as well. Okay, here it is. It's downloading. Okay. I have it on my desktop. This is it. And I will have to extract it in another folder on my desktop. And also this part will take quite some time, so I'm gonna skip this part, the extraction part. I'm using WinRAR. Okay. Alright, so let's just check in the folder if the file is there. Okay, everything seems fine. Right, let's open the virtual machine again. Let's click to new. Here is the time when you have to give your virtual machine a name. So I'm just gonna call it Sierra. Okay, and then also the type, it's already pre-selected, and also the version. Okay, so everything seems to be right. Okay, I'll give like as much RAM as I can. You know, I will just leave the cursor in between the red and the green bars here. Okay, and just click next. Okay, just leave it as it is. You don't have to change anything. Okay, next. Here as well. Just click next. Alright, next. Okay, so here is how much space you want to give to the Sierra OS. I'll just leave it at 30 gigs as it is. Okay, so right click and click settings, and let's check if everything is alright. Okay. Yeah, I'll just give like some more cores so it will work smoother, and also some more megabytes for the display. Okay, here it is a very important part where you have to select the file we downloaded earlier. Just going to my desktop where it is, the extracted files should be there. So let's see if I can find it. Alright, yeah, there it is. Okay, just open it and then click OK. Okay, everything's fine. As I said before, click OK. Okay, let's just start it for a second just to see if everything is fine. Let's see. Yeah, it gives me the boot mode thing, so yeah, just close it now for now. Okay, now it's the next step. You have to start the CMD as an administrator, and I'll give you some code to copy into your terminal. So here it is, our terminal, and also our lines to copy. Okay, I'll give you those lines in the video description. so you don't have to worry about it. Just something important is that you see Sierra there. If you didn't choose Sierra as the name of your virtual machine, as I did before, you have to change this Sierra with whatever you called it. Okay, so this is very important, and it's very important because you don't want to mess it up, because if you do, it's not going to work. Okay, so I'll copy the first line. Now it's the second line of code. Yeah, you can see it doesn't give me any error message, which is very good. If it does for you, it means that you mistyped or you did something wrong. So it's better to close the terminal and do it all over again. Okay, so now line, yeah. Okay, the last line of code. Alright, so everything seems to be pretty good. No error lines, no error messages. Okay, let's close our terminal now. Yeah, everything's in pretty good. Okay, no error messages as I said before. Okay, right. So as I said before, I'll give you this piece of code in the video description, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, and close it. You can close everything now. Okay, and let's open our VirtualBox again, and you can start Sierra. Okay, so now everything is set, so everything should work fine. Let's wait a few seconds. It takes longer for the first time you do it, but then it's much faster. Okay, all right, here it is. It's Sierra OS. Now let's give it another few seconds. Still loading. Okay, so now it gives us the it's normal. Now it's normal installation of macOS. So I'm not gonna do this part because the tutorial is finished for now. So I hope you understood and what you have to do. If you have any question, you can just leave them in the comment section. I'm gonna close my virtual machine Oracle. Okay. So if you liked the video, you can hit thumbs up and subscribe for further tutorials. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.